People, this Kelvin Kid. It's been a minute. I just been doing my thing in the background, but I just want to show you guys. I'm gonna just be marking up my charts from here and there, and coming out with explanation videos like every so often. But I'm gonna be showing you a simple, basic strategy that I use to generate money with this market and sometimes predict the market. And you got to understand that there's no perfect way to predict this market. Things can go either way, but more than likely, the market tend to do the same thing over and over. And you guys can figure that out on yourself and learn some secret techniques on your own. You just got to be in this market and have that experience, people. But like my old videos, the same strategy, people. And only thing I'm not using these arrows. I'm just using this algo line and price action, right? So when I see my reversal signals, I'm surfing this algo line. So once it break through, I'm monitoring price, looking for a continuation pattern. Hit this algo line, looking for a continuation pattern, right? Now this is a reversal in my eyes. So boom, boom. Then I'm looking for it to retrace to this algo line and surf all the way back up there. But who knows what it could do, right? I'm just playing the game how I know how to play the game, right? So I'll be looking for this area to get target after my TP1, TP2, right? But that's it. Seems like it's playing out. Boom. And this is the markups from my last video. I didn't do this one. Let me just look on the daily and see what that look like on the daily. That's why I didn't do it. All right, right. There we go. So let's do this. And this blue box just indicates my zone I'm trading in. All right, boom. So we got this downward movement. It haven't tapped back into it. So I'm looking for this thing to tap back into it to shoot back down. But right now, where we at, you just see on the weekly what that look like. I could get a better picture, right? So I'm looking for it to hit this area. Yep, tap back into it. Back to my daily. All right, cool. All right, that's where we at. So once either zone get tapped, I'm looking to place a trade in that zone, either up or down, right? So that's that one. This one, I would have took a trade here to come down. So I'll currently be in this trade. If I was trading that USD chef, zoom out, it's on a daily. There's the daily, right? And I don't like this range. See that range? So we're going out high time frame, and we even in a range on a higher time frame. A consolidation on a higher time frame. But there is ways you can do this, but I rather not because just do this. Hold on. Yeah, I can't. Let me see if I can do it again. There you go. So that's a range on a higher time frame, but that's what we're looking like to go back down on a weekly. So now we're just gonna go to our daily and see what that look like. So I will be cautious about this one simply because we in a range on a weekly. Look at this. This the daily, and this also the weekly. So I will be cautious about that one, even though it's a good setup to go down. I will be cautious. Look, see, let me show you something right quick. If I was to take this down, I'll just take it to right here. I wouldn't take it no further. To right there. Bam. That'll be my take profit area right there. Simply because we're in that range and we can bounce from here to go up. Just never know. So it's not really acting up. So that's what I'll be doing. Each this thing is lagging for real. AU. So J. So even bigger range. Look at that consolidation. So we in the zone. I'll be taking a small position right here. If I take a good position, a better position down. So we reaching up there, people. Right here, look like our TP1 go get hit. So if it do, um, I'll be looking for a deeper retracement. So I'll only take one entry. If I got that, I'll take another entry. I mean, if I get stopped out, I might not consider an entry. If it go below this, I might not consider an entry until another move. So I'll be taking one position here to ride back up to TP1 if it take out TP1. If it don't take out TP1, I mean. All right, and that's it. Simple stuff, people. Simple stuff. Like this one, you know. Right here, bam. Erase this when I get on it though, because they got too many markups. Right? Broke out, came back in, sold off, right? Damn. And it's literally that simple, people. You don't have to make this thing as hard, you know, as it gotta be. You chef, a chef. Remember this area here. This that obvious candle I was talking about in one of my videos. So we looking to target that area. I want to put something down there. Let me put it down now. Remember this area. So once we get that reversal candle, what is this? A chef. Let's go to the daily. Look, it's even on the daily. Now with this one, it's tricky. This markup's on another pair. It just happened to merge onto this one. But this one is tricky because this is one big gold candle. So I'll take a trade now and have my stop loss above this candle. Let me just remember that obvious candle. Remember that's going to be our TP. So we'll just see what that look like on a daily. Got to do this just to see um how these trades present themselves on higher time frames. So that's what it looked like. So what I would be expecting this to get taken out, and then I would take a reversal trade back down. Come on, I have to cutting up. Give me a second. Yeah, I'll be taking the reversal trade back down to this into this candle. Let's just look on it on a 1 hour. So yeah, I think this gonna get taken out, and they're gonna stop people out. Then we're gonna come right back down to this candle. But we're gonna be looking for our setup on either the 1 hour or the 30 minute or the 15 minute to come back down here. Right now we don't have that, but it can reverse down. But I'm expecting it to do this to come down. If it don't do that, I wouldn't take this trade because they could get you in early and go up and then shoot that sucker right down. So be mindful of that. But like I said, you want to look for these obvious candles because that's cheat codes, people. That's a cheat code. Let's see if I can find another one. Y'all do this. This thing lagging for real. God damn. Not gonna do it. Not gonna look for another one, but we're just gonna stick to this one. But like I said, that's a cheat code. Be mindful of it. And the last one is Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin gonna be coming down, back down to 66, 66 or 68 to continuate up, or we could come back down to take out these lows to 64. But yeah, everything playing out. And like I said, people, just keep your trading simple. Um, there's nothing difficult about it. Only thing that's difficult is when news happen and price can go either way. But long as you got a system in place and a strategy in place and your risk management, you know, these markets tend to do the same thing over and over. So that's your clear advantage. And just know when to get in these trades and know your exit points and entry points. Other than that, people, it's really that simple. Y'all profit, study, take notes, go over your trades, and gain that experience, and you'll be okay. Um, get out of these groups. I will recommend if you don't know price action, but if you do know it, get out of these groups, get in these markets, and experience this stuff on your own. Just keep it moving and keep educating yourself and keep taking notes and just reviewing your trades because you your biggest enemy and you got to overcome that. It's you in these markets. You know, otherwise people gonna keep trying to sell you something, and really the basics is all you really need to master to profit. So other than that, man, y'all be cool. Get at me, like, comment, subscribe. I'll keep pushing these videos if y'all want them. You know, hit me up. You know the link on my Telegram or my Instagram, or you can comment on Facebook. I mean, not Facebook, YouTube. So, other than that, y'all get at me. This one looking like it's gonna come back into it. I'll get in the entry to come back up here, take out this. I'll be out the trade. Simple and plain, people. As soon as they hit it, that's about a 70 pip move, about a 95 pip move. That's about a 100 pip move, right? Keep it simple. You ain't gotta catch the whole move, but if you do, you know, take portions out, let it come back, retrace, put portions back on, and continuate up. You know, simple stuff. But other than that, y'all get at me. I holler.